ZANU-PF internal restructuring exercises currently underway have reviewed growing discontent and dwindling grassroots participation, with the party losing support in Mashonaland West Province following the recent expulsion of war veteran and outspoken former ZANU-PF official Geza. Sanapenda mashukubda panguwa ina chinsi ayo mnangagwa oluza masimba panguwa ina ndoba subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina wanabobu kwa mchinsi. ZANU-PF is currently conducting a soil verification exercise in Makonde, Urungwe, and Sanyati districts to prepare for the co-option of new central committee members. However, the process has been made by poor attendance, internal divisions, and unresolved tensions dating back to the 2023 general elections. In Sanyati, the expulsion of Geza, who openly called for the removal of President Mnangagwa, has left a vacuum and stirred divisions. Geza, a respected war veteran, gained notoriety for criticizing Mnangagwa's leadership, accusing him of betraying the values of the liberation struggle and presiding over a corrupt authoritarian regime. His bold stance, which resonated with the sections of disgruntled war veterans and the party loyalists, ultimately cost him his position in the party. The leadership contest to replace Geza as drawn figures such as Mines Deputy Minister Polite Kambamura, businessman Jemaya Muluri, and Kudakwa Ndoya. However, insiders say the infighting and lack of cohesion have severely disrupted the party's organizational momentum in the area. Mashwarbuda pangwa ina kunkonza aiwa kuya kuexpolo kwa wangu bongsho pangwa ina kwa konzesa chaos Mashonaland West kunwa konza wana vachatongeki vachabudziriki. The restructuring iri kuitika kuma grassroots pangwa ina aichaperi mushe pangwa ina zviri konze pangozara infighting nekutemesana musoro ayo pangwa ina kunyaswa kwanze these guys they are no longer trusting themselves noda kukubitrayana kuri kuitika mubato. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudipa musoro pechitiko chipina comment section medu zvafunguro enyu. Don't subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.